Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm doing a one brand UNLEASHIA makeup look. So I bought a few products with my friend Judy because like UNLEASHIA had like some decent sale price on Beauty Korea More. So I thought why not combine the shipping together to, you know, make the prices cheaper, because one of the glitter stick was only like $1. If it's still on sale, I'll put it down below, but I'm not sure how long the sale lasts for. But I thought why not give it a try. It's a good time because I've tried the glitter stick before and I did feature it in my best of Korean makeup, so I sort of vaguely heard of the brand, and also I know my friend Judy loves the brand a lot, so I thought why not try and buy some stuff and do a one brand look. So without further ado, let's get the video started. So this is the eyeshadow palette, and this one is called the Glitterpedia eye palette. So I'm sure from hearing the name it's all about the glitter, but it guarantees you that they have like, you know, different shades for shading, for glitter, and what did I say? Fabulous shading to glittering. And I got mine in number 2, all brown, and I have to say the colors are gorgeous. It consists of a few brown colors but also some pinky tone shades as well. From what I can see, I can probably see there's maybe 2 to 3 that is like big glitters, and then maybe a couple shades that is like shimmery shade but also like smooth type, and then maybe potentially 4 matte shades. I definitely love the packaging. It's just very simple clear one, but it's also very thick, and not only that, it also has like a protector, and usually when they put a protector like this, it's also to protect the glitter shades as well. I'm just gonna apply this medium brown onto my crease area just to deepen it up. I'm not putting any primer, by the way, because I want to see how pigmented this eyeshadow is, because obviously this is my first time trying out UNLEASHIA eyeshadow palette, and it's actually not bad. Decent pigmentation, but definitely a lot of fallout. Taking like a flat fluffy brush, I'm going to use the other brown shade, and this one has a bit of like fine gold shimmer in it as well. I'm just gonna apply this all over my crease area just to add a bit of color. And then I think what I'll do is I might just use my finger and possibly apply this really nice gold shade. So it's very smooth, feels really nice. I'm just gonna apply this all over my lid space and just blend it out with my finger. Ooh, that is nice. It's very fine, and like when you apply it, it's just like a natural shimmer for the eye, which is beautiful. Never done this before, or I haven't done it for a long time. I'm going to take like an angled flat brush, dipping into this dark brown, and I'm going to use this to line my eyes. Can you guys see the fallout? I'm not sure if you guys can see, but it's a lot of fallout, so definitely be careful. I'm just going to apply a little bit first to apply a wing, and if I want more, I'll just lay it, but we'll see how this works because it might not be dark enough. Okay, and then the remaining, I'm just gonna link it to the lower lash line. As you can see, the look is very simple, but what I'm gonna do is I'm going to go off camera to put on mascara and tightline my eyes and put fake eyelashes, because those are the 3 products I don't have from UNLEASHIA, and I will be back. I have a glitter stick here, and this is the UNLEASHIA Pretty Easy Glitter Stick in number 3 Brave. I have mentioned one of the shade in my best of Korean makeup because I absolutely love this glitter stick, and they are very shiny as well. I'll show you how this one looks like here. Can you guys see? But I'll do like a close-up as well. This is more like a rose, like a champagne shade. The other one that I featured was like much more white, but I'm going to actually apply this on the inner corner, and I feel like this shade really matches with the eyeshadow look that I just did because it's very similar shades. Onto the blush, I have this duo palette, which is like a blush and a highlighter. This one is called the Tap Me Palette Duo in number 1 PETITE. The reason why I got this shade is because my friend Judy was raving about this particular shade, and so I thought why not give it a try. The blush is definitely like a neutral pink pink, mauvey pink, which I absolutely love. So I'm going to do that first, and I love how it says tap me. It does have a bit of fallout, so I'm just gonna tap off the excess. And I think I'm gonna apply a decent amount today. Actually, I don't really need to because this blush is pigmented. Can you guys see that? It just goes on straight away. And then this highlighter here feels, oh yeah, doesn't feel that rough, but it just like, look at the shimmer. Can you guys see the shimmer on this? It just sparkles. So I'm just gonna use a highlighter brush, and it does pick up some glitter. It's pretty fine. Not sure you guys can see. Can you guys see that? So it'll be interesting to see how it looks like on the face. Whoa. Am I supposed to? I'm not sure what I'm supposed to do with this. I might just use, all it does is just picks up like glitter onto my cheekbone area, but I'm just gonna use finger and just like dab. Okay. Using finger is much more effective, but it's definitely a very different type of highlighter because you see a lot of that glitter on your face. So I'm just gonna, I guess I'm putting glitter on my face. So I've decided I'm going to use this shimmery shade here with a very small brush. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put this on my nose because I want a little bit of highlighter on my nose. So this is a great option as a highlighter. Actually, it looks really nice. And since I already have like glitter on my face, I might as well put this on top because I want to see. Ooh, this is nice as a highlighter. This is what I'm talking about. This is much more blendable compared to like the other one before. The last product is a tint, and this one is the non-sticky Dazzle tint. I love how it has already stated that it's non-sticky, so we'll see if this is true because I do not like any stickiness on my lips. And this one is a number 3 Glow Day. The packaging is very interesting because it's like rounded, but it's also like flat at the same time. So let's see how do I open this? Oh, this is a twisty one. Huh. And yeah, it looks much more like purpley, plummy shade. So we'll see how this looks like on my lips. Ooh! It's a mauvey purple, my absolute favorite. It smells like bubblegum. And like the pigmentation is amazing. It's not sticky, but it feels like very balmy, so it's definitely leaning much more toward like a glossy type but much more tinted. This is the final look, and I have to say overall the products are actually not bad, but I have to say that my favorite would definitely be the Dazzle tint because I love the texture of it on my lips as well as the color. Like I'm actually keen on trying like the whole collection because yeah, it's very comfortable on the lips, like surprisingly, and I have really dry lips, so this is like amazing. Another thing is also the glitter stick because it never failed me. The blush is actually pretty good, but I'm not so sure about the highlighter, and I'm definitely keen on trying another blush shade which really looks like a bronzer, and my friend Judy has it, so I'm very keen on like trying that as well. The eyeshadow palette is pretty good, but I have to say in terms of the pigmentation, it's much more towards like a medium pigmentation. I wouldn't say that this is like a highly pigmented eyeshadow palette, but it's good for those who likes like a daytime neutral look but also at the same time wants a bit of like sparkle. This is actually great, but overall I'm actually very impressed with this brand. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you guys have tried anything from UNLEASHIA because I would love to know your thoughts as well, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye guys!